A quick disclaimer before we do the unboxing. I did not buy these. These were sent to me direct. But if you're interested in buying these, there will be affiliated links in the video description below. Check that out. Also, if you like this content or any of my other content, consider subscribing. It really does help the channel keep on growing, and it allows me to get products like this to do reviews on. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? Right then, these are the G40 Global LED string lights. A perfect choice for your lamp. Warm your everyday life. Made in China. And at the time of making this video, the cost around about $22.50. So not too expensive. And they run off the mains electric. They are not solar powered. Something to bear in mind. If you haven't got outside electrics, you need to get it installed for safety. These are 32 feet or 10 metres long, and there's nothing to see on the box. That is it basically. There's a little bit of information on the sides, but nothing on the bottom. So let's get her open. And it wasn't sealed. So it comes with instructions in different languages and the product. Oh, and spare bulbs. Looks like you've got 3 spare bulbs looking at that, which is really nice. And this, I do believe, is if you want to add extra lighting. But make sure you read the instructions first, because you don't want to overload it. Yeah, so you can attach more lighting if you wanted to. Interesting. I think it's interesting. So, with that, it's fuse plug, by the way. Let's get outside and give her a little test, shall we? Right, a couple of things I forgot to mention. First things first, cable length. In case you need to know, how long is the cable from the plug to the actual connection? I thought, need to tell people. I've had a measure up, and it's approximately 2.7 metres long. So it's a good length. And the second thing is, you should always test them first before installing them, in case there's something wrong, like it doesn't work. And I didn't do that neither, but I'm doing it right now. And we have a bulb out. See that? That one's not working. So I need to change that. And it's quite easy to do. They're only screw-in ones, okay? Make sure you unplug it from the electric zone. Oh, which one was it? That one. Right, that one. Also, while we're doing this, they have these little clips on them. See that? So you can hook them on things. I thought it was a good idea. So change this one out. So that one's not working. I've had a look and I can't see nothing wrong with it, but it doesn't work, obviously. They look quite nice though, don't they? See that? Yeah, quite nice. Change it over. And the other thing I noticed, I do have an odd bulb. I'll show you in a second. This one here, it's slightly smoked, but it does work and it does produce exactly the same colour. Let me test that. So plug it back in. There you go. And voila! All working now. Look, that one there's a slightly different colour, but you're not going to notice it, especially if it's outside or anywhere actually. You can think, it looks really nice. I think it looks really nice. So they all work now. I'm going to do a quick install. I'm not going to set them up properly because it's cold out there. So I'll get on with it, shall I? I know I said I wasn't going to do a full install, but when I laid it out to my decking, I thought, actually, what I could do is put it around my gazebo. And I'm glad I did, because they look really nice. They've got a nice warm glow to them. They really chuck out quite a bit of light, so it brightens up that area, especially around the table and that, and the chairs. It really brightens up that area, makes it feel nice and cosy. Even though it's really cold out there last night when I was doing the filming, they do look really nice, and it does give a nice warm feeling. Definitely gets my thumbs up for the amount of money they cost. I know I got mine for nothing, but for the amount of money they cost, I think they're well worth it. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you're thinking about buying some or you've already got some. If you are thinking about buying some, check out the links in the video description and it will take you straight to that webpage, hopefully anyway. And they are affiliated links. They give me a little bit of a kickback if you go through my links. It don't cost you any more money if you go direct to Amazon or you go through my links. They cost exactly the same price, but if you go through my links, I get a small kickback. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think. Whether it's, you know, worth giving me the thumbs up or giving me the thumbs down, or you bought some, or you bought something similar. Be interesting to know. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.